All right, December 26, 2024. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics. We're going to do a little bit of talking about awnings and the spring-loaded awnings, or the valises, the part that hangs down. I'll show you. Turn it around. That part, the frilly part, right? So you take this off, 1/8 inch drill bit to take them out. You mark them correspondingly, right? All right, so there's one. Rotate, there's two. All right, and you go, oh, you could have pulled it out of there. No, because there's two of them in here. So I mark it valance in number one, and you rotate number two on the other side. That's not really what I'm talking about, though. You see the rust on the spring. Well, the spring goes there a little bit further. Folks, same as a garage door, not mine, but if you sliding doors that go left and right, the ones that come up this way, right? The ones that are mounted in the roof. If that spring gets rusted, the rust rubs against each other, each coil, and it'll break. So when you redo your fabric on your awning, spring-loaded type, round, there's a torsion bar one out there. This is a coil spring. You have to lubricate that bad boy when it's out. I see a lot of you techs out there, a lot of you owners, you just all happy you got it down, you're going to put your new fabric on and make your baby look good. Well, New Year's is coming. I'm going to tell you, I've seen some of these springs break, folks. So please lube this up. I will do this before I reassemble this one. All right, so that thing's in there a little bit, and it locks into these three channels right here, and then that slides in. So, see, that got a lot of rust. Please, folks, it's just a quick one to let you know to lubricate that stuff, because it will break. The rust actually acts as an agent holding it together, oxidizes the two coils together, the whatever you want to call it, the springs, the coils of the spring. And they will snap, and that's when you hear that crack, and that thing comes over, whoosh, going that way, right? And it's hard to come in, because then the motor down there, toward the front of the coach, so I got the arms down, it will come forward, the weight of it. So please, now this one happens to be, it has the metal cover, so it has two more that it has to go into these channels right here. And then it has a channel up there on the drip rail. So there's three on this side by the coach and two on this. A total of 5. Usually there's a total of 3. You can add that on, but you have to get the right fabric. Right, that protects it from the sun, the UVA and B rays, and also a couple little tree branches when you're going into the campground. All right, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Happy New Year. What's the motto? Test, not guess. Test, not guess. Get that, all right? Y'all want to, ask questions on there. You don't need to put the model number of the component you're talking about. I don't need to know what RV you got. I need to know what water heater, what propane heater, what hydronic heater you have. It don't matter if it's gas engine, diesel engine, it don't matter. Component number, and sometimes serial number is very helpful. So, thank you very much. Once again, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Don't forget to come down to the RV Diagnostics Stay While You Wait, or if you just need a place to stay one night. I got a mini campground, got a 50 amp out back, I got a 30 amp right in behind the garage. That's enough to keep you alive in the winter, not too hot of a summer. And I got septic and water here. So thank you very much once again, Jeff from RV Diagnostics.